What's the first question dancing in your mind tonight?
Why does the night sky feel so endless? Like it's watching us?
Because it is endless, or at least as far as we know. The universe stretches beyond what we can see or imagine, like an ocean without shores. But it's not just watching, it's whispering. Every star, every galaxy has a story, and together they tell the tale of existence. You are part of that story, a vital chapter in the universe's great book.
Whoa! If it's so big, does it even notice us? I mean, we're so small compared to all that.
But that's where you're wrong. You see, you are made of stardust. Every atom in your body was once part of a star. You're not just in the universe, you are the universe, experiencing itself. So yes, it notices, because without you, without each of us, its story would be incomplete.
Even stars die though, right? Does that mean everything ends?
Yes, even stars die, but their death is not an end. It's a transformation. When a star exhausts its fuel, it doesn't simply vanish. It might collapse into a neutron star, explode as a supernova, or even become a black hole. And from that death, new stars are born, new worlds take shape. Life, too, follows this cycle. Endings are just beginnings in disguise.
So, we exist just to change and become something else?
In a way, yes. Life is about growth, change, and connection. Imagine the universe as a grand symphony. Every living thing, every star and planet plays its own note. Without your note, the music would be incomplete. Your purpose is to play your part and make the melody richer.
But what about love, Grandpa? Why do people love each other if everything changes and fades?
Love is the gravity of the soul. Just as gravity holds the planets in orbit, love binds us to one another. It's the force that keeps us grounded, that gives meaning to our fleeting existence. Even though life changes, love is eternal. It transcends time and space. It's the energy that connects us to everything and everyone.
So love is like the universe's secret power?
Exactly. But love is not the only force. There's curiosity, courage, kindness. All of these are like the invisible threads that weave the fabric of the cosmos. They give life its texture, its depth, its beauty.
Grandpa, do you ever feel afraid when you think about how big everything is?
Sometimes. But fear is like a shadow. It only exists when there's light. The more you understand the universe, the less you fear it. Knowledge turns fear into awe, and awe into peace. When you realize that you belong to this vast, beautiful universe, its immensity becomes a comfort, not a threat.
Even the scary stuff? Like black holes? They still kind of freak me out.
Black holes are indeed mysterious, but they're not to be feared. They're nature's way of recycling matter and energy, keeping the universe in balance. They teach us that even in the darkest places, there's beauty, mystery, and often new beginnings. Remember, out of chaos comes creation.
What about before everything? Where did the universe come from? What was there before it all started?
The great question. Some call it the Big Bang, the moment when everything we know burst into existence. But what came before? That's a mystery even the brightest minds have yet to solve. Some think there was nothing. Others believe in an infinite cycle of creation and destruction. Perhaps the universe has no beginning and no end. It simply is.
So we'll never know everything?
Perhaps not. And that's okay. The universe is like a vast, unending puzzle. The more pieces we find, the more we see. But there will always be more to discover. That's what makes life exciting. The journey of learning, of wondering, is its own reward.
Grandpa, do you think we'll ever find other life out there? Aliens?
Ah, another grand question. The universe is so vast, with billions of galaxies, each holding billions of stars and planets. It seems almost certain that life exists elsewhere, but whether we'll meet it is another matter. And if we do, what a moment that will be. A reminder that we are not alone in the cosmic dance.
What if they're different from us? What if they don't understand things like love or kindness?
Then, it will be our chance to teach and learn. Life, no matter where it's found, seeks connection. And though they may be different, the fundamental truths, curiosity, growth, connection, will likely bind us together. Every being in the universe, in some way, seeks to understand its place.
Do you think they'll wonder about us, the way we wonder about them?
I have no doubt. Curiosity is universal. Just as we gaze at the stars and dream of other worlds, they may look at their sky and wonder about us. In the end, we are all explorers, seeking to understand the same grand cosmos.
Grandpa, do you ever miss being in space?
Every day. But I've learned something important. The true frontier isn't just out there. It's within us, too. Every question you ask, every new thing you learn, is a step into the unknown. And that journey, my dear, never ends.
So we're all explorers, even if we never leave Earth?
Exactly. The spirit of exploration lives in every question you ask, in every new discovery. Whether you're traveling through the stars or through the depths of your own mind, the journey is just as profound.
Grandpa, I think I want to explore forever.
And you will, my little star. As long as you keep your curiosity alive, the universe will never run out of wonders to show you. You see, my little star, life and the universe share the same rhythm. Both are full of questions, cycles, and mysteries. But here's the beauty. You don't need to have all the answers. The journey itself, the act of wondering, is what truly matters.
So it's okay if I don't understand everything right now?
More than okay. Some answers will come with time, and others will remain mysteries. But every question you ask, every step you take, adds meaning to your life and to the universe itself. Just like the stars, you shine brightest when you embrace the unknown.
Grandpa, do you think one day I'll understand as much as you do?
Perhaps even more. And when that day comes, you'll pass your light on to others, just as I'm sharing mine with you. Remember, wisdom is like a flame. It grows stronger when shared.
I think I get it now. It's not about having all the answers, but about never stopping the journey.
Exactly. And as long as you keep looking up, asking questions, and exploring with an open heart, you'll always find your place in the cosmos.
Thank you, Grandpa, for everything.
Thank you, my little explorer, for reminding me that wonder has no age. Now, let's sit a little longer under this endless sky and let the stars tell us their stories.